This 2023 Chevrolet Equinox is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Chevrolet is powered by all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, turbocharged gas, i4 1.0 87 engine, and has 62 miles. Discover unbeatable value with this 2023 Chevrolet Equinox. Reliable, stylish, and ready for adventure. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.